Today I was not in the mood to cook anything heavy or eat anything, something light. So decided rice and dal, and my mother always made sure that we should have salad as a side dish. So this salad is a little bit different, not a regular one. It has fresh grated coconut, no oil. So dice the cucumber very fine, and then we are going to add some simple basic ingredient what we have. I'm roasting some peanuts and crushed peanuts, some green chilies, a lot of cilantro, and my favorite ingredient, freshly grated coconut and crushed peanuts. You can add any nuts of your choice, and some salt and lemon juice. So you can make it last minute also. And my mom used to add sugar. I didn't add sugar, but if you want, you can add a little bit of sugar in this. It's optional. Mix it well and serve it. It can be a very good side dish with any regular meal, or you can eat for your fasting vrat. Top it off with some cilantro and some nuts, and it's ready. Recipe is in the comments.